I've been trying to fix my sun deck for 25 years. I have spent thousands of dollars. In fact, the last one cost me so much that I was just about ready to throw my hands up and bulldoze the whole thing and start all over. And I happened to get a referral for Austin Dustless that said these guys are going to come out and they will restore this back to concrete and give you an opportunity to cover it right. And I will tell you that I have lost sleep, many nights of sleep because of the condition of this. I'm going to sleep very good tonight. Great communication, and I highly recommend them to anybody that's looking floor worked on. Sometimes you gotta take all the old mistakes off before you can do it right. And they have me down to a perfect, ready to cover with something that's going to be permanent up there. And I appreciate the work they did. Thank you.